Today we are going to unbox Batman Spiderman 4-axis aircraft. This is the drone, okay. Model number Y20 14 plus ages. Okay, Wi-Fi camera video need to buy separately. Headless mode, 1 key return, 1 key rotate circle, 1 key flip over. Okay. 160-30%, 3 kits speed mode, cool hyun LED, okay, blue light forward, red light backward, okay, front 6-axis gyroscope, length 25 cm, length 6 cm, height. Okay, this is the caution. Okay, fly safe. This product is an actual aircraft. While in flight, like other aircraft, it can be damaged by contact or collision with fixed object. The producer does not cover accidental and collisional damage. Enjoy but fly safely. Caution: please follow the instruction manual carefully before flying the helicopter. It is recommended that you stay away from rotating blades when the helicopter is in use. Do not fly poor weather condition. The user is responsible for safe operation of this helicopter. Please do not operate the helicopter in strong winds. Okay. Made in China. This is the back side or front side, whatever. Okay, back side of the drone cover. Okay, let's unbox it. Wow, see this is the drone, Batman Spiderman drone. This is the stand and charging cable. This is the remote control. The remote control here. Okay, you must do it while pairing upward and downward after turning on the drone. And this is the speed button. You can change the speed by pressing here. Okay, and this is rotate button 360 degree, and this is left right forward backward button. This is hard reset. Okay, these are the buttons. I will show you later. 2 battery needed to operate this drone. Okay, and this is the user manual. We have to read it carefully before flying the drone. Okay, lots of instructions are here. Okay, this is the stand and this is the drone. Okay, this is the drone. Or this here white color port is for camera port. You have to install it separately. And this is the drone. We'll fly it after a while. Okay, let's try. Okay, please Aris, help me. Okay, this is the drone. We are turning it on. Okay, see, lights are blinking. Blue color is forward, red color is backward. Okay, so we are keeping it here. Okay, this is the remote control. Okay, we are pairing it first. Okay, come here. Turning on the remote. Okay, now pairing first. Okay, why it is rotating automatically. See? Okay, let's try. Why it is. Okay, thank you. After learning, I will upload another video. I am new. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.